welcome to my presentation. My business was called Calories for Charity, and I will be explaining a little bit more of what we do. Calories for Charity is a walking buddy service, and we utilize one-on-one walking services to raise money for charity. So this way people can burn calories, we raise money for charity. It's just a win-win for everybody. What makes us unique is that we make meaning. This was a phrase that was coined by Guy Kawasaki. He says, if your business focuses on making money, you're probably not going to be that successful. You need to focus on making meaning. You have to connect with people. So I looked at my current location. People here love to walk. So there's a lot of runners, walkers. Everybody wants to get involved with that. People also want to help. There's a lot of people that are willing to donate. Here is me and one of my walking buddies. Again, this is all about making meaning. We were on a bridge at this point, and we just can see our happy faces. Something that makes us successful is, again, we make that meaning. We are raising money for charity, and that resonates with people. I also had a very strong social media campaign on Facebook and Instagram. I even received a donation from my social media, so that was very successful there. I was also very successful with personal selling, contacting real people, saying, hey, this is what I'm doing, let's work to raise money for charity. This is my donation box. This was Donnie the donation box. He was featured on all my social media. Every time I got a donation, I would put money in the box, upload the video, and this created awareness for my cause. This also generated revenue. So something unique, something special, like Donnie the donation box. What we do differently, what would we do differently? I would definitely print less flyers. Those are very impersonal and they did not work very well. And I would do more personal selling. I would talk to more people in person and just say, hey, here's what I'm doing. Let's support this cause. Current profit loss. So it costs me $1 to create flyers, and I've made $70 out of the $100 goal, so not bad. Projected growth, if this carried on through December, you can see the values, the forecasts, lower confidence and the upper confidence bound. I feel like if this were to keep going, I could just really start revving up some good growth here. Why invest in Calories for Charity? Number one, we're going to change the world. There are so many good causes out there that need support. Another reason to support us is that we are actually making money. And as you saw in the previous slide, our projected growth rates are going up, and they will just keep going up, which is a good thing. If we had more time, I would really put more effort into my social media campaigns. My second biggest donation came from there. I would also really put more time into personal selling, talking to real people in the real world. That one-on-one, face-to-face contact with people is what really sold the project. That is my presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of my donors. This has been an awesome experience thus far, and have a great day.